Losing weight doesn't mean starving yourself or giving up delicious foods. In fact, some foods can actually help your body burn fat, control hunger, and support healthy weight loss naturally. The secret is choosing foods that keep you full, stabilize your blood sugar, and provide the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 amazing weight loss-friendly foods that you can eat without guilt. These foods are not only nutritious, but they can also help reduce cravings, boost metabolism, and make your weight loss journey much easier. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last food on this list might surprise you. Yet it's one of the most powerful foods for controlling hunger and supporting fat loss. One of the most powerful foods you can include in a weight loss diet is eggs. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients that help keep you feeling full and satisfied for long periods of time. When you eat protein-rich foods like eggs, your body releases hormones that signal fullness to your brain, which can naturally reduce hunger and prevent overeating later in the day. Another important benefit of eggs is their ability to stabilize blood sugar levels. Many common breakfast foods, especially those high in refined carbohydrates or sugar, can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. These fluctuations often lead to cravings and increased hunger shortly after eating. Eggs, on the other hand, provide steady energy that helps you stay satisfied and focused for hours. In addition, eggs are relatively low in calories while being extremely nutrient-dense. They contain vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants that support overall health while promoting fat loss. Studies have even shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day, making eggs a simple yet powerful food for anyone trying to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Another excellent food that supports healthy weight loss is Greek yogurt. This thick and creamy dairy product is packed with high-quality protein, which plays a key role in controlling appetite and reducing hunger. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, meaning it keeps you feeling full for a longer period of time. Because of this, including Greek yogurt in your meals or snacks can help reduce unnecessary snacking and make it easier to maintain a calorie deficit. Greek yogurt is also beneficial because it contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy digestive system. A balanced gut microbiome has been linked to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and even more efficient metabolism. When your digestive system is functioning well, your body is better able to regulate hunger hormones and maintain a healthy weight. Another great advantage of Greek yogurt is its versatility. It can be eaten as a healthy breakfast, a satisfying snack, or even used as a substitute for higher calorie ingredients like sour cream or mayonnaise. For the best weight loss benefits, choose plain Greek yogurt without added sugars and consider topping it with fresh berries, nuts, or seeds for extra fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video and learning something useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Healthy Grams. When it comes to weight loss-friendly carbohydrates, oats are one of the healthiest and most satisfying choices you can include in your diet. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber, which help provide long-lasting energy while keeping you full for extended periods of time. Unlike refined grains that digest quickly and leave you feeling hungry again soon after eating, oats break down slowly in the body, helping control appetite and reduce unnecessary snacking. One of the key nutrients that makes oats so effective for weight loss is a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system that slows digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. By preventing sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar, oats help maintain stable energy levels throughout the day and reduce cravings for sugary foods. Another benefit of oats is that they are incredibly versatile and easy to include in a healthy diet. A simple bowl of oatmeal can be customized with nutritious toppings like berries, nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of Greek yogurt to increase its protein and fiber content. Because oats are filling, nutrient-dense, and naturally satisfying, they can be an excellent addition to a weight loss-friendly eating plan. Another incredibly satisfying food that can support healthy weight loss is avocados. Although avocados are relatively higher in calories compared to many other fruits, they are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that help keep you full and satisfied. These healthy fats slow down digestion and allow your body to absorb nutrients more effectively, which helps reduce hunger and prevents frequent snacking between meals. Avocados are also rich in dietary fiber, which plays a major role in controlling appetite and supporting supporting digestion. Fiber adds bulk to your meals and helps you feel full for longer periods of time. This means that when avocados are included as part of a balanced meal, they can help reduce overall calorie intake by making the meal more satisfying and preventing overeating later in the day. In addition to supporting weight management, avocados provide important nutrients such as potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. They are incredibly versatile and can easily be added to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or eaten on whole grain toast. Even a small portion of avocado can make a meal more filling, flavorful, and supportive of a healthy weight loss journey. Another group of foods that can greatly support weight loss is leafy greens. Vegetables such as spinach, kale, lettuce, and arugula are incredibly low in calories while being packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Because they contain so few calories, you can eat large portions of leafy greens without significantly increasing your daily calorie intake, which makes them ideal for anyone trying to lose weight. Leafy greens are also rich in dietary fiber, which helps promote fullness and supports healthy digestion. Fiber slows down the digestion process and helps your body feel satisfied after meals, reducing the chances of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks later in the day. At the same time, these vegetables provide essential nutrients that help your body stay energized and healthy during a calorie-controlled diet. Another great advantage of leafy greens is their versatility in everyday meals. They can easily be added to salads, smoothies, soups, omelets, or stir-fries to increase the volume and nutritional value of your meals without adding many extra calories. By regularly including leafy greens in your diet, you can create meals that are filling, nutritious, and highly supportive of your weight loss goals. Another excellent food that supports healthy weight loss is apples. Apples are naturally low in calories but rich in fiber and water, which makes them incredibly filling. Foods that contain a lot of water and fiber tend to increase feelings of fullness, helping you eat fewer calories overall. Because of this, apples can be a very satisfying snack that helps control hunger between meals. One of the key nutrients in apples is dietary fiber, particularly a type called pectin. This fiber slows down digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings. When blood sugar remains stable, it becomes much easier to manage appetite and avoid unhealthy snacks or sugary foods throughout the day. Another advantage of apples is that they require chewing, which naturally slows down the eating process. This gives your brain more time to recognize when you are full, helping prevent overeating. Apples are also very convenient and easy to include in your daily routine, whether eaten on their own, sliced into salads, or paired with a small portion of nuts for a balanced and satisfying snack. Another powerful group of foods that can support healthy weight loss is beans and lentils. These foods are packed with plant-based protein and dietary fiber, a combination that is extremely effective at controlling hunger and promoting fullness. When you eat foods that contain both protein and fiber, your body digests them more slowly, which helps you stay satisfied for a longer time and reduces the urge to snack between meals. Beans and lentils are also excellent for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Because they digest slowly, they help prevent the rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can trigger cravings and overeating. This steady release of energy makes beans and lentils a great choice for people who want to maintain consistent energy throughout the day while supporting their weight loss goals. In addition to their appetite-controlling benefits, beans and lentils are incredibly nutritious and versatile. They contain essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. These foods can easily be added to soups, salads, stews, or grain bowls, making them a convenient and satisfying ingredient in many healthy meals. Including beans and lentils regularly in your diet can help create balanced, filling meals that naturally support weight loss. Another excellent food that can support healthy weight loss is nuts. Even though nuts are relatively high in calories, they are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which work together to help control hunger and promote feelings of fullness. Because of this powerful combination of nutrients, eating a small portion of nuts can keep you satisfied for a longer time and help prevent overeating later in the day. Nuts are also beneficial because they provide healthy, unsaturated fats, which support heart health and help stabilize energy levels. Unlike processed snacks that can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, nuts release energy more slowly, helping you stay energized and focused for longer periods. This steady energy supply can make it easier to maintain a balanced eating pattern and avoid unhealthy cravings. Another great advantage of nuts is their convenience and versatility. They make an easy and portable snack that you can enjoy anywhere, whether at home, at work, or on the go. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews are all excellent options that can be eaten on their own or added to yogurt, salads, or oatmeal. When eaten in moderation, nuts can be a delicious and satisfying part of a healthy diet that supports long-term weight management. Another excellent food that supports healthy weight loss is salmon. Salmon is an outstanding source of high-quality protein, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. Protein-rich foods play an important role in weight management because they reduce hunger hormones while increasing the hormones that signal fullness, making it easier to control calorie intake throughout the day. Salmon is also well known for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats that support heart health and reduce inflammation in the body. Some research suggests that omega-3 fats may help improve metabolic health and support the body's ability to burn fat more efficiently. These healthy fats also help make meals more satisfying, which can reduce cravings and prevent overeating. In addition to its weight loss benefits, salmon is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin D, B vitamins, and important minerals that support overall health. It is also incredibly versatile and can be grilled, baked, or added to salads and healthy bowls. Including salmon in your meals regularly can provide a delicious and nutritious way to support your weight loss goals while nourishing your body with high-quality nutrients. Another surprisingly weight loss-friendly snack is popcorn. When prepared the right way, popcorn can be a light and satisfying food that helps control hunger without adding too many calories. Air-popped popcorn is naturally low in calories but high in volume, which means you can enjoy a relatively large portion while still keeping your calorie intake under control. Popcorn is also considered a whole grain, which means it contains beneficial nutrients and dietary fiber. The fiber in popcorn helps slow down digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making it less likely that you will reach for unhealthy snacks shortly after eating. Because of its crunchy texture and satisfying bite, popcorn can also help satisfy the desire for a snack without relying on highly processed foods. However, the key to making popcorn weight loss friendly is how it is prepared. Many packaged popcorn products contain large amounts of butter, oil, and salt, which can significantly increase the calorie content. The healthiest option is plain air-popped popcorn, which can be lightly seasoned with herbs or a small pinch of salt for flavor while still remaining a smart and guilt-free snack choice. Weight loss doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. By choosing foods that keep you full, nourish your body, and support a healthy metabolism, you can make your weight loss journey much easier and more sustainable. The key is focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods like the ones we discussed today. These foods help control hunger, stabilize energy levels, and provide the nutrients your body needs to thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Healthy Grams, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos about healthy eating and natural weight loss. And now tell me in the comments, which of these foods do you eat the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.